Hey folks, my name is Lily and today I want to show you how you can sharpen your knife with convex edge. Okay, so for sharpening your knife in convex edge you need a couple of different sharpening stones, and I have these two big ones for at home and they come with different coarseness. I have one stone which has 400 and 1000, and the other stone here is even finer with 3000 and 8000. And these stones I'm using at home, but when I'm in the field I'm using this small one here. This is the Feldkniven DC4, which is I think one of the best sharpening stones for the field because it's rather small and it has a diamond side at this side and a ceramic side at the other side. And with this small stone you can sharpen your knife in convex edge as well. It's not as easy as with the other bigger stones, but it will work. Okay, so the knife that I'm using today is my APO-1 survival knife, and last time I was here I was doing a destruction test, so I banged it against a brick and a stone, and now the edge is pretty damaged, so the edge has rolled over and condensed a little bit, so I have to do a lot of sharpening today. And first I'm going to use the sharpening stone with 400, and it's a water stone, so make sure that you put some water onto the stone. It should be really soaked in water. Okay, now let's sharpen up the APO-1 again. So I take my knife and put it on the stone and I angle it downwards with the blade a little bit like this, okay? And then I go down the sharpening stone, and when I reach the end of the sharpening stone I alter the angle of the knife a little bit, so I do it like this, and then I go back up again, okay? Down, up. So by doing the small angle change when sharpening, you will achieve an edge which looks like this. And this is called a convex edge, and it's by far one of the most stable edges that you can achieve. Okay, so this is how to do it on a big stone. And now I want to try out the smaller stone. And with this stone here it's not going to be so easy because it's really small. It's going to take longer, but it will still work. So this is the small sharpening stone for the field. Now let's switch to the bigger stone again, because with this one it's faster. Okay, now the edge looks much better, but I'm not done yet, so there's still a little bit of a bump in the edge. So now I continue sharpening. Alright, so now let's switch to the other side of the stone. Alright, I'm done with the stone, so now let's switch to the other one here. Let's switch to the other side again. Okay, the knife is fairly sharp now and I'm satisfied with the edge. There's no damage anymore. And last but not least, I want to strop the edge with my leather belt. Okay, now let's try to make some feather sticks. Okay guys, so this was how to sharpen the convex edge. So now I'm going to show you close-ups of the blade, and as you can see we have a convex edge and it's not damaged anymore, so it looks really nice again and it cuts feather sticks very fine. Alright folks, so this was how to sharpen a convex edge, and yeah, I really want to thank you for watching. And if you are interested in getting this survival knife here, then please make sure that you follow the link to my website, which you can find in the description below. All the best and stay tuned till next time.